and welcome back. So we are learning about operators in JavaScript. We have learned arithmetic, assignment, and logical operators so far. And now it's time for our next operator, which is the comparison operator. But what is a comparison operator? Well, the name comparison operator says it all. It compares two values and gives back a Boolean value that is either true or false. Comparison operators are used in conditional statements and loops, etc. that we will learn after a few lectures. In this table on your screen, a list of comparison operators and the description has been displayed. Have a look. So these are the type of comparison operators. Let us go through the operators one by one with examples. Equal to evaluates to true if operands are equal. Variable A equal to 4, variable B equal to 5, variable C equal to Monica. After assigning the values to variables A and B, we checked if they are equal or not. In the first statement, we are comparing the value 5 to the variable A, which has the value 5. So the output is true. In the second statement, we are comparing a number to a string. Basically, what the comparison operator does, it transforms the operands into the same type before comparison. So when you are comparing a string with a number, equal to operator converts any string into a number. So the output is true. In the third statement, we are comparing a string with a string, but there is a difference of capital and small letter m. Hence, the output is false. Guys, please keep in mind in JavaScript, equal to is a comparison operator. Do not confuse it with equal to assignment operator. You will not get the required output. Not equal to, that is exclamation equal to. Not equal to evaluate to true if the operands are false. As you can see in the first statement, it is true that A is not equal to 3, so the result is true. In the second statement, two strings are equal, so the result is false. Strict equal to evaluates to true when operands are equal and of same types. According to the definition, the types of the operands have to be the same, so the first statement is true. And in the second statement, there is a comparison of string and number even if their value is same. The result is false. Strict not equal to evaluates the value to true if the operands are strictly not equal. It is the complete opposite of strictly equal. The first statement is false because both the operands are equal. Second statement is true because we are comparing a string with a number. And in the third one, even if the type is same, the value is slightly different. So the result is true. Greater than operator. It gives the result true if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Since A is greater than B, it evaluates the result to true. Greater than or equal to. It evaluates to true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. A is greater than or equal to 10, so the result is true. Less than. This operator evaluates to true if the right operand is less than the right operand. 10 is less than 20, so the result evaluates to true. Less than or equal to. It evaluates to true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. A is less than 3 and equal to 2, so the result is true. These are the type of comparison operators. Only one type of operator is left, and we will learn that in the next lecture. Till then, solve an easy assignment. Choose an appropriate operator to get the result true when x is greater than y. What is the output of the following block of code? So that is it for this lesson. The operator concept is so interesting and easy to learn. But today's lecture is going to be on the last type of operator, which is called the conditional operator. What is a conditional operator? Conditional operator evaluates a condition and executes a block of code based on that condition. Look at the syntax. Condition, expression 1, expression 2. First, conditional operators evaluate the condition. If the condition is true, expression 1 is executed. If the condition is false, expression 2 is executed. Conditional operator is also called ternary operator because it takes 3 operands. Let us take a simple example. The condition is checked a greater than equal to 5, which evaluates to true. A is equal to 5, so expression 1 is executed. I hope you got the idea of the conditional operator. Let us take another program to determine if a student passed or failed the exam based on the condition. First, let me quickly tell you what the prompt method is. The prompt method is often used to input a value before entering a page. In this scenario, the user is going to enter the obtained marks in the prompt method, which will be displayed after loading the page. If the entered marks are more than 35, then the user has passed the examination, or he or she has failed. For example, if the user enters 40 in the prompt window, then the condition will be true, and the user has passed the examination. And we stored the result into the result variable and displayed it. We can also nest a conditional operator inside a conditional operator. They are not often used as they make your code kind of harder, but it is good to have knowledge about it. Let us take an example and see how to use nested conditional operators. After looking at it, you will think it is a little bit complex code, but trust me, it's actually very simple. Variable A holds the value 2. You can see one conditional operator is nested inside another. Initially, the first condition is checked and A is greater than 0. So the control goes into the first expression, which has another condition. If the variable is equal to 0, the 0 will be displayed. But in this case, the variable is greater than 0, so the result is positive. Expression 2 of the main condition, which is negative, will not be displayed. So I hope all of it is clear to you guys. Now here is an interesting assignment for you. Write a program to determine, after entering the age of a person, that person is eligible for voting or not. Condition: in order to be eligible to vote, the age of the person has to be 18 or more than 18. On that note, guys, the operator concept in JavaScript is actually over. I hope now you have a better understanding of operators. We will learn about the next JavaScript concept in the next lecture, which will be much more interesting. Till then, stay connected and stay safe. Bye.